Are you searching for a reliable, versatile and compact rotary tool that's ready to handle professional level tasks with precision? Today we're diving into the Milwaukee 2525, a cordless powerhouse packed with features perfect for the workshop or on-the-go tasks. Milwaukee's M12 rotary tool is a robust, compact tool that boasts durability with high-quality materials and attention to ergonomic design. Its body includes a comfortable textured rubber overmold grip that provides a secure hold for both precision and comfort, even during extended use. At just over a pound, this tool is lightweight enough to handle precise work without fatigue, and the tapered barrel design allows several grip styles, from pencil grip for delicate control to full-handed grip for heavier work. The design also integrates tool-free features to make accessory changes simple. The collet wrench integrated into the tool's nose collar allows for quick changes, making it a smooth option for users who may need frequent bit adjustments. Milwaukee 2525 packs a brushless motor, enhancing both power output and efficiency compared to its predecessor. With a variable speed range from 5,000 to 27,500 RPM, it provides excellent control for tasks like sanding, polishing, grinding, and even light cutting. The 12-speed option allows users to fine-tune RPMs for different materials and levels of precision. Users can adjust speed through a simple interface of plus and minus buttons, each LED indicator representing 2 speed settings. The 1/8-inch collet is compatible with a range of accessories, which includes standard rotary attachments. Another standout feature is the integrated LED light, which helps illuminate the workspace, making it easier to complete precise cuts or detailing work in low light areas. Milwaukee's M12 battery compatibility ensures flexibility in battery selection, with extended runtime options available for higher capacity XC batteries. In the rotary tool market, Milwaukee stands out against popular models like the Dremel. While the Dremel offers a similar speed range and versatile accessory compatibility, the Milwaukee provides a bit more power with its brushless motor, which can make a noticeable difference in heavy-duty applications. Additionally, the Milwaukee's tool-free collet system and LED lighting add to its ease of use and professional quality, where Dremel users may need separate tools for bit changes. Milwaukee's robust build and professional-grade design make it particularly suited for tradespeople and those requiring consistent power in a compact tool. This Milwaukee rotary tool is priced at $129 for the bare tool. A full kit, which includes battery and charger, is available for around $199. This price point is competitive given the power and compatibilities it offers, especially for professionals looking for a high-performance cordless option. If you are interested, make sure to check out the Amazon link in the description for current pricing and availability. Now, let's break down the main advantages and drawbacks of this tool. Cons: no battery included with the bare tool model. Limited battery life with smaller M12 batteries under heavy loads. Steeper learning curve for some users with 12-speed controls. Pros: powerful brushless motor for efficiency and durability. Wide RPM range with 12 speed settings for precise control. Tool-free collet for quick accessory changes. LED work light for visibility in low light conditions. Ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue. Compact and lightweight for maneuverability in tight spaces. Wide accessory compatibility for various tasks. The Milwaukee M12 2525 is a top choice for professionals or serious DIYers who need a rotary tool that's both powerful and easy to handle. If you are ready to add it to your toolkit, check out the link to Amazon in the description to grab one today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment with any questions you have on this tool or others you'd like to see us review next.